what we're going to do is, we're going to get a couple of guys up, but we need some girls as well. Any volunteers? We need 2 volunteer ladies. Yeah? 2 volunteer. Hands, come up here, don't be shy. Right, guys. Right. This is hands. Please put your hands together for hands. Mr. Ireland, won it there last week. Fair play. What do you reckon? Not bad. Right, what we're going to do is, we have 4 lads, yeah? Okay, what we're going to do is, we're going to get 4 lads up here. There's 3 or 4 lads. We're going to get them. Lads, come up here. We're going to get these lads up here. Now, we have a couple of lady volunteers as well for this. Lads, don't be shy, come up on stage. Now, we're looking for 2 or 3 other volunteer males that work out. If you want to take part in this, come on up here, will you? Come on around the side here. Right, lads, what's that crack? Who have we got here? Daniel. Arden. Craig. Right, where's our female volunteers? Where are they? Girls, come on up here. And right, we've 4 ladies, we've loads of ladies. Right, now, what we need is, we need 2 or 3 more lads for this. Come on, lads, don't be shy. Anybody there? Walk out. Come on, lads. Don't be shy. Come on up here. Yeah, Rory. Come on, Rory. Come on, Rory. Give it up for Rory, the break dancer. Come on up here. Don't be shy. Come on.